Prayer is the most important thing we can do. Prayer is not just words we speak into the air. It's a direct line to the heart of God. Prayer is a communication with God. It's where we talk, but we also listen. It is where burdens are lifted, strength is renewed, and hope is restored. How do we need to pray? Matthew 6 verse 6 says, "But you, when you pray, go into your inner room, close your door, pray to your Father in secret, and your Father, who sees what is done in secret, will reward you." You don't need a perfect word to pray. God is not moved by fancy speeches. God is moved by a genuine heart. Prayer has changed a lot of things for me. So I want to encourage you today. Go into your secret room and pray. And you will see stuff will start to shift for you as well.